Hey people, I'm KG.codes and I'm not going to waste any time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take an expired TestFlight build and basically use it again. So if you see here, I have build 31, which isn't expired, but all the rest of these are. And if this was expired, there's times when situations where you either don't have access to the code to rebuild the app, or you just don't want to, or you just want to be able to just, these expire after like 60 days or 90 days or something like that. And you just want to get a new build up fast without having to rebuild the app or have any issues with rebuilding the app. Or you may not have access to the app. You may only have access to this thing and you need to either deploy or get a new version. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I just want to set up the situation first. Here are the steps on how to do that. So you can take a screenshot of this if you just want to know the steps and try to do it yourself. But I'm also going to show you how to do the steps in real time. So what you want to do is open Xcode and you're going to go to Window Organizer. You're going to open this organizer thing that shows all the builds that you've done before. And so the only caveat to this is that you do need to be on a machine that has done the builds before so that you actually have the builds. I don't think you can get them from here. But so you do have to be on a machine that's done it before, but you don't have to rebuild the app or open up Xcode and like rebuild or do anything like that. It should be a quick way to rebuild it without having to do all that. So what you can do is on one of these, you show in Finder. And then, why is it showing so many in here? I don't get it. But yeah, you show in Finder. I guess because he was on the same day. Okay. And then you right click on that build, show package content. And then you want to go to the info.plist file and open that up. That's going to open up an editor for the plist file. After a while, it will. And so what you want to do is that you need a new version uptick. So you're going to open up this application properties and you're going to find CFBundleVersion and you're going to update this to another version. So I'm going to update it to 32. And then you can save that. You can go to menu, save, or you can just do the command S. Close that. Go back here. You're gonna go and you need to go into a different part of this applications, products, applications, then go here, show the package content again, and then you want to find, let me see, I think the info.plist should be in here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. So you want to do basically the same thing here, but this time you want to find bundle version. Here it is. And you want to change, you want to do the same thing that you did in the other file. And you also can change the actual version of the app in there too, but if you just need a new build and don't want to change the version, you can just change the bundle version number, like the top level version. So then you want to save this, come out of here. So now you see your last version was 31. Now you've made this into 32, even though it doesn't show here. And I wonder if I reload this, if it will show the updated version. Probably not. Yeah, so it doesn't show the updated version, but this one is the one you change. So it's actually 32 now. So when you go to distribute app and you click through all the steps, you're actually going to be on 32. Click through everything. Do all this stuff that you normally do. Wait for it. taking forever, but this should be normal for you. And in here you'll see that the version's been up, the build of the version has been updated to 32. And like I said, you can change this. If you're looking at plist file, you'll also see this number too that you could change if you want. But as long as you change this number, you'll be able to upload the same build again, because if you don't change this number and try to upload the build, it'll have a conflict when you press upload and it'll stop you from uploading. So I'm not going to upload this because I've already done it. But once you hit upload here, it's going to actually, complete the upload with this new version. And you shouldn't run into any conflicts because your build number is going to be a new higher version than the one you had before. And as long as you see this here, you've done everything correctly. But let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or DM me or message me or whatever. Please like and subscribe this video. This keeps me doing stuff like this. And if you want more content like this, follow my channel, check out my other videos. And thanks for watching.